Analytic Systems is located in Delta, British Columbia. What an amazing company. Almost 80 full-time employees building systems that convert electricity from AC to DC or from DC to DC for various sorts of applications. Today's announcement is actually a military application for the United States.
We're here today to announce a $4.7 million contract with the U.S. military for ground power systems for the Shadow unmanned aerial vehicle. And as far as jobs, it means jobs that we've already created in research and development that have been ongoing for the past 5 years, and now additional jobs in production as we increase our throughput on the production floor by almost 50% over what it was just a few months ago.
My vision for this entire industrial area, which include this wonderful company, is that we are going to have many more of these companies, particularly manufacturing, high-paying, good jobs, where Canada once again is in the running for some of the good, clean jobs that we need in this country.
What's really interesting about this facility is they've built a business over the last 20 or so years from just a few employees to a business that's doing $12 million a year in sales and growing each and every day. It's the kind of business we need here in British Columbia.